This is your time. This is your season. And this is your moment. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend. I want you to know that you are destined for greatness. Greatness is upon your life. Greatness is in your DNA. You can do, you can be, you can literally accomplish anything. The mind is the limit. I want you to know that you're going to go to the next level. In spite of your pain, in spite of your struggle, you are going to overcome. And this is what we're going to be talking about today. We're going to be talking about don't skip the struggle. Because so many people, they want everything to come easy for them. But there comes a point in time in your life that where the struggles in life, listen to me very closely, the struggles of life are necessary. Because it is the struggles in life, that will mature you. It is the struggle, it is the pain that will produce character and integrity out of your life. So the pain and the struggle is necessary. You may grow up in a single mother home. You may grow up without knowing your father. You may be going through a divorce. You may have been through a divorce. You may be struggling with depression. You may grow up in a dysfunctional family. You may can't get over your bad childhood. You may be going through some pain in your life right now. But I want to tell you, it's going to get better. It's going to get better. You're going to do, you're going to be, you're going to become great. And this is what I want you to do. I want you to use your pain as fuel and motivation to become successful. Because you are a winner, you are amazing. And today we're going to be talking about don't skip the struggle. This is what I want you to do. I want you to get your dream in your mind right now. And whatever you want to be, whatever you want to do, whatever you want to become, see yourself accomplishing it in your mind. See, for me, I've already spoken in London in my mind. I've spoken in Canada in my mind. I've spoken in Australia in my mind. I've spoken in the NBA in my mind. I've spoken in the NFL in my mind. I've spoken in corporate in my mind. I've spoken in Major League Baseball in my mind. I have been there in my mind. And that's what I want you to do. I want you to go there in your mind. But do me a favor. Don't skip the struggle. Because the pain, the struggle is necessary. I want you to know you can do anything you put your mind to. In order to achieve greatness and success, you must go through the struggles. Here are my struggles. I flunked the first grade. I grew up with a reading and comprehension problem. I grew up with a learning disability. I was bullied in school. I was picked on in school. I was always the underdog. No one believed in me. And they told me that I would never amount to anything. I started out struggling my whole life. And then when I got in high school, my high school teacher, she told everybody else how great and successful they were going to be. But when she got to me, she said, Tommy, you're not going to graduate high school. She said, Tommy, you're not smart enough to go to college. See, what she tried to do, she tried to put limitations on me. I looked at her, I said, I will graduate high school. I said, I will go to college. And maybe that's you. Maybe there are people that are putting limitations on you. Maybe you're that NFL team that's not that good. Maybe you're that NBA team that's not that good. Maybe you're that college team that's not that good. Maybe you're struggling in your grades. Maybe you're dealing with depression. Maybe you're dealing with certain issues, personal issues. Maybe you're dealing with a bad past. Maybe you're dealing with unforgiveness. Maybe you're not able to forgive yourself. Maybe you're dealing with jealousy or resentment or bitterness. I don't know what you're going through. Maybe you're dealing with a sickness or cancer. Maybe you're struggling with grief. I don't know what you're going through. But whatever you're going through, you're going to make it through the struggle. And then afterwards, in 2009, I became homeless. I was living on the streets. I had to beg for food. I could not shower. I could not brush my teeth. I had nowhere to lay my head. In 100-degree weather, I was homeless. And then after that, let me share my struggle with you. After that, I was shot multiple times. And when I got to the hospital, I was pronounced dead. It seemed like my life was over. Sharing my struggles with you. And then I finally got in college. And when I got in college, I got sick. I was struggling with depression, and I flunked out of college. But notice, I didn't quit. I didn't give up. And so by me not quitting and by me not giving up, they let me back in college on academic probation. And then I made straight A's, made all A's and B's. I was on the dean's list. Then I got my bachelor's in 6 years, got my master's in 5 years, and I got my doctoral degree in about a year and a half. And now I am Dr. Tommy Campbell Jr. And years later, I am a motivational speaker, changing people's lives. See, you hear my struggles? See, if you're going to achieve greatness, if you're going to achieve success, you're going to have to go through the struggle. And now, years later, I'm a published author of 3 books, and I'm currently working on my 4th book. See, don't skip the struggle. See, let me tell you something. You cannot cheat success. You cannot cheat greatness. You must go through the process in order to be great. You must go through the process in order to become successful. Because in order to achieve greatness and success, you must go through the struggles. You can't get to greatness without going through the struggle. If you're going to get to greatness, if you're going to get to success, you must embrace the struggle. You must go through the pain. Because the struggles, they mature you and give you the character and integrity for the greatness and success. So whenever you become great, whenever you become successful, and once you get to the top, you have that character and you have that integrity to sustain you and keep you at the top. You need to get around people and connect with people who believe in your dreams. That's what you want to do. You don't want to hang around people who are hindering you. You don't want to hang around people that are distracting you. You don't want to hang around people who are doubting you, who are naysayers. They're talking about you behind your back. They don't believe in you. But you need to get around people and connect with people who believe in your dreams, who will push you to greatness, who will hold you accountable, who will keep you positive, who will help you go to the next level. You don't need a lot of people. Listen to me very closely. I'm closing. You don't need a lot of people to believe in you. If only you believe in you, then you are blessed. Woo, I'm going to say that again. Please write that down. You don't need a lot of people to believe in you. If only you believe in yourself, then you are blessed. Or if you can get only one other person to believe in you, that's all you need. Because there are a lot of people who fall and fail. I'm closing. But only a few people get back up and try again until they succeed and win. Don't give up. Don't you throw in the towel. Don't you stop. Don't you stop procrastinating. Don't be negative. Go after your dreams. Don't skip the struggle. This is what I want. I'm closing now. I want you to spend the rest of this year in 2020 loving yourself and watch your life change. Spend the rest of this year loving yourself more and watch your life change. You have to invest in you. You have to believe in you. You have to not give up on yourself. There are times in your life where you feel like you want to quit. Maybe I'm talking to somebody right now. You feel like you want to quit. You feel like you want to throw in the towel. Don't you quit. Don't you give up. I want to tell the whole world that I love you and I believe in you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please spread the word all over about me as a motivational speaker. Tell all your family, your friends, and your loved ones about me as a motivational speaker. And please support me. I do these motivational videos every day because I love you and I believe in you. This is your time. This is your season. And this is your moment. Thank you. That is my time.